Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Converting your credit to cash wallet is actually pretty straightforward, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Step 1. First, you need to open the Globe app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in with your account and that you have an active cash wallet linked to your phone number. If you don't have cash yet, you'll need to download that app first and set it up before you can transfer your credits. Step 2. Once you're in the Globe app, navigate to the main menu and look for the section labeled Rewards or Promos. This is where you'll find the option to convert your credit balance into cash. Tap on that section and you should see the conversion option appear on your screen. Step 3. Select the amount of credit you want to convert. You can usually convert any amount you have available, but check if there's a minimum requirement. The app will show you the conversion rate so you know exactly how much cash you'll receive in return. Step 4. Review the transaction details carefully before confirming. Make sure your cash wallet phone number is correct and that the amount looks right. Once you confirm, the conversion will process, which typically takes just a few minutes. Step 5. After the conversion completes, check your cash wallet app to verify that the funds have been deposited. Your new cash balance should be updated and ready to use. If you experience any delays, try refreshing the app or waiting a few minutes before checking again.